Hi, I'm Dan Higginson, and for the next few minutes I'd like to reveal a few of the powerful wealth building components to Synergy's compensation plan, something I'm very excited about. In fact, I firmly believe our compensation plan is the most rewarding in the industry, and soon you'll see why. Now it may come as a surprise, but I haven't always been an advocate of network marketing as I am today. In fact, I was quite the opposite. I had settled into a traditional career path and saw network marketing as a business model where very few actually became successful. Through the company I worked for at the time, I began consulting for several network marketing companies. As I had the opportunity to interview top leaders in dozens of top companies, I began to understand the type of tremendous compensation that could be created in this industry. I realized that network marketing itself is a perfect business model. It allows everyday people to be individual business owners, people who wouldn't normally have such an opportunity, be it financial limitations or time constraints. Through a network marketing, individuals can build a substantial residual income while maintaining their full-time job. By helping your business partners achieve their desired level of success, you inherently become successful. In fact, if you were to compare network marketing to a traditional retail business model, the structure would look very much the same. However, network marketing removes multiple sales layers while concentrating compensation on those who actually get the product to the end consumer, which in this case is the network marketer. With network marketing, you're rewarded for your efforts and for helping others to do the same. Throughout my time consulting and interviewing industry leaders, I learned all about their frustrations and the pitfalls of the industry's most common compensation plans, the unilevel, traditional binary, and breakaway. Now let's be honest. Each compensation plan had its benefits, but in my opinion, the caveats, the pitfalls, far outweighed those benefits. Once I saw the potential of the network marketing industry, I wanted to design a system that would maximize the benefits of each of these traditional compensation plans while eliminating the drawbacks. That's what I felt the industry deserved. From all these plans and a significant amount of ingenuity, we developed the first ever dual linear mega match compensation plan. With this plan, distributors were able to take advantage of its simplistic structure to maximize payout. Breakaway does not exist in Synergy's compensation plan, and its volume is literally paid out to infinity. However, the most exciting and distinguishing factor of Synergy's compensation plan is called the Mega Match, which is a lucrative bonus that applies infinitely throughout your organization. Let me explain how this works. First, you must understand that with most compensation plans out there, you can only earn commissions on so many associates wide and so many deep. The term infinite, if used, seldom holds true to its definition. However, under the Mega Match revenue, you become the personal sponsor to those individuals. As a personal sponsor, you'll receive dollar for dollar, 100% match of what these individuals produce in their basic commissions. The most dynamic aspect of the Mega Match is that it is applied infinitely, meaning it doesn't matter if the people you sponsor are 2 positions away from you or 2,000 positions away from you. Nor does it matter how many people you personally sponsor. You will still receive 100% dollar for dollar match of what they make. Now that's opportunity. So let's see how it works. Let's assume you bring 10 people into your organization and they're each making a basic commission of $500 each month. In turn, you'd be paid a matching $500 for each of those individuals each month, or $5,000 monthly. Unlike any other compensation plan in the industry, Synergy's dual linear mega match compensation inspires cooperation and teamwork. And for the first time, you now have even more of an incentive to help your personally sponsor become successful. This no longer becomes a rat race of how many people you can recruit. This now becomes a system of sponsoring, educating, and helping your associates reach their desired level of success. During a time when the global economy is suffering, when individuals and families are fighting to make ends meet, network marketing provides a viable option for people of any education level, experience, or financial means to roll up their sleeves, get to work, and earn a substantial income. In a featured article published in the Wall Street Journal regarding this industry, it says, in 2010, direct selling companies generated over $125 billion in revenue in 150 countries through more than 75 million men and women who are changing lives by serving others. Through network marketing, and more specifically through Synergy Worldwide, we are impacting lives around the world. Individuals and families are improving their financial situation while enhancing their health. Together, we are inspiring optimism for tomorrow while leaving a legacy for generations to come. If you'd like to find out more about this opportunity with Synergy Worldwide, We invite you to contact the person that introduced you to this information.